Somebody's ready to crawl. Where are you going? Huh? What are you doing with your feet? Are you going somewhere? Huh? Where are you trying to go? You gonna get that toy? Let me help you? Good. You're 16 weeks old. What are you doing? Good job. Good job. You're trying. You know what to do. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Use those arms. You're almost there. Look at you. Yeah. Come on. Whoa. Oh my God. Yeah, I think you're going to make it. Okay, you're crawling. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Good job. You can reach for it. Look at those feet going. Oh, you tired? Good job. Good job. Come on. Look, you made it. Yeah. Get the toy. Can you get it? Get it. Reach for the toy. Look at your chunky arm. Get it. Come on. It's right here. Come on. You gonna get it? How many? You want it? Look at you. Oh, you're just gonna eat that instead? Okay. Okay. You were so close. Here you go. There you go. All right. Stuff it in your mouth.